Let's explore query operators. In this video, we will focus on comparison operators. These operators are essential for filtering documents in your database based on specific criteria. Here we have the $eq operator, which stands for equal. It matches documents where the value of a field is exactly equal to a specified value. The basic syntax is shown here. You specify the field name, then use $eq followed by the value you're looking for. There is also a shorthand. You can simply specify the field name and the value. This implies that you are looking for an exact match. The $any operator, or not equal operator, excludes documents where the value of a field is equal to a specified value. The basic syntax involves specifying the field name, then using $any followed by the value you want to exclude. For example, to find users not named John, you would use the code shown here. Now let's discuss the $GT and $LT operators, greater than and less than respectively. The $GT operator selects documents where the value of the field is greater than the specified value. For example, this code finds all people whose age is greater than 25. Similarly, this query finds the records having the price greater than 100.50. On the other hand, the $LT operator selects documents where the value of the field is less than the specified value. This code snippet finds all people whose age is less than 65. Also, this code selects records where the score is less than 50. Next, we will see the $GT and $LT operators. These stand for greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, respectively. The $GT operator selects the documents where the value of the field is greater than or equal to the specified value. As an example, this code finds all the records of people whose age is greater than or equal to 18. We can also use it to find people whose salary is greater than or equal to 50,000. The $LT operator selects the documents where the value of a field is less than or equal to a specified value. For instance, this code will select all the records of people whose age is less than or equal to 65. It can also be used to find records where the rating is less than or equal to 4.5. Let's see how to perform range queries by combining multiple comparison operators. For example, to find all the records of the people whose age is between 25 and 65, use the code shown here. We use $GTE to specify that the age should be greater than or equal to 25, and $LTE to specify that the age should be less than or equal to 65. Now let's look at some practical examples. Suppose we want to find all premium users whose status is active and plan is not free. This can be achieved using the code shown here. Next, if we want to select all high-value orders whose total order amount is greater than 500 and the order is paid, we use this code. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned. The $EQ operator performs an exact match. The $any operator excludes specified values. The $GT and $LT operators select values above and below a given value, respectively. The $GTE and $LTE operators select values above or equal to, and below or equal to, a given value, respectively. You can combine these operators for powerful range queries and precise filtering. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.